Hi, I'm Thomas Baldrick, host of the new Rocky Point podcast. It's your solution for those boring drives to and from Puerto Peñasco. Just subscribe, download, and enjoy listening to entertaining episodes. Logging a lot of miles on the road, I naturally had some bad breaks from flying stones hitting the hot windshield. The truth is, our car looked so bad, my son started calling me Walt for Walter White in the TV series Breaking Bad. So because our Waltmobile windshield needed to be replaced, we gave Simple Choice Auto Glass a try. And what a simple choice that proved to be. First, they answered the phone. Then, Jameson, the owner, he made the process quick and easy in dealing with our insurance company. The very next morning, they were in our driveway with a new windshield. Victor, the expert technician, was great. He was professional and friendly. We wound up having a nice conversation about Mexico and Rocky Point. He also explained everything he was doing, and he did it all very well. Within 1 hour total, the entire experience, we had a brand new windshield. I was so pleased, I decided to do this video. So I hope you'll consider listening to the words of my honest experience with Simple Choice Auto Glass. And next time you're making the road trip to or from Puerto Peñasco, I hope you'll consider listening to the Rocky Point podcast. Of course, while you're seeing the road through that shiny new windshield from Simple Choice Auto Glass. Thank you. Have a great day.